Okay, so here it is my service provider. Service provider, what he will do? It provide a service to the customers. Why it is not giving this remaining things? What service provider will do? Provide a service to the customers. Okay. Next, if customer got an issue, customer got a certain issue, or customer required some information, or customer need a certain change, what they will do? Customer is try to approach the service providers technical support. Okay, so who is going to handle this customer? Okay, what is his requirement? What is his things? Okay, who is going to handle this service desk? Of course, there is a different levels of service desk and different ways are there, but still it is whatever it is the name, it is service desk. It may be a application related, or it can be a network related, it can be a storage related, it can be a particular service related. Okay, who is going to handle this service desk? So service desk contains different set of people. Some are experts in network related, some are system related, some are application, the particular application related, some are related to servers, some are related to storage, some are related to um, the database related people are there. Okay, so different teams, different people working in a service desk. For example, Savantis is supporting SAP and as well as a AWS cloud. Okay, so there is a server running in a service. So for example, our customer ask like there is a new person is joined, please create a new account, new user. Who will going to do it? Service desk person created account for the client user. In a client there is a user. Okay, maybe he is forget his password, he want to change his password now, he'll approach the service desk. Okay, for example, the client feed some data, the data is some issue is there, application is unable to access that particular application, or maybe service, some option is not working, we'll contact a service provider who is going to handle the service desk. Okay, so just it is a name, guys, but working people in a different technologies, different expertizations, different level of expertizations in the technologies. Okay, so what service desk person will do it? Whenever a customer approaches the service desk, in different means are there, so I will tell that different means also. So when the customer approaches service desk, so we have to know what is the customer requirements. It can be a issue related, maybe some issues he got it, or maybe he's asking for a change of certain service, or maybe he wanted some information. Okay, so it will approach us to service desk. And what service desk person will do it? They will create a ticket. Create a ticket. In this ticket, there is information about who is the customer, which location. Location means not only a physical location, guys. Of course, physical location. Maybe customer is located in different places, different geographical places, different company. I'm supporting to a company. For example, Savantis company. Savantis is in different locations. It's in Hyderabad, it is in Noida, it is in Pune, it is in Bangalore, it is in New Jersey, it's in Exton, it is in Australia, like that. Different physical locations are there. So of course, who is the customer? The customer person who is raised, the person name, and the client organization and the location. And what is the issue? What is his requirement? Is reporting any issue, means it is incident. What level of incident it is? Okay, higher level or lower level of incident it is, or maybe it is required is request for access something, or you need to change his password, or you want to change of services. So how to mention in the ticket, and it should be assigned to a particular team. Particular team has to be handle that one. Okay, if there is a team which is like it is a server related, so server related team will handle that one. Or maybe it is a network related, it may be database related, it may be a just hardware related. Okay, it may be application related. So which team is working on that particular type of issue? So we have to mention that team, which is who is going to be handle this one. Okay, that is a ticket. So this ticket, either the person who is handling the service desk, because he has a knowledge. So in level 1, he don't have any specific knowledge. Level 0, no knowledge here. Only it is just understand customer related issues and create a ticket and forward ticket only. But level 1, level 2 service desk people, when they got information from, when they got a contact from the client, so they will create a ticket and maybe they will handle it, or maybe they will send a ticket to a specific team. Okay, so in generally we call it as a technical team. Okay, a technical team working on this particular issues. Forward to a team. A technical team is working. Okay, so the team work on this issue and resolve the issue and make sure that customer is resolved the problem. Okay, either they are working from there here, or maybe they will go to the customer, they resolve the customer issues from here. One issue is resolved. Once issue is resolved, they close the ticket. Once issue is resolved, they close the ticket. This is what happens at a service desk. Okay, at least now, yeah, it is good. Okay, that is the thing. Service provider provide a service to the customers. Okay, if customer require information or a query or issue or change of services, they reach the service desk. Service desk take information and support customer needs or resolve the issues, escalating the issues. So then customer will resolve the issues, get information or changes. So this is the life cycle of service desk. So why it is much bigger? Otherwise you can keep it side. No, better. No, it is neat. Okay, no problem. If it's just one line is went down, it's not required always perfection. Guys, understand what is customer, what is service desk, what is ticket here. Okay. Guys, we talk about a customer. Talk about the customers and the ticket and the service desk. So I will go one by one. First, I will go to the who is this customer kind of stuff. Who is this person? I'm not drawing about a customer related on the Google. I will draw on the so who is this customer? It is a person who buys a goods or a service from your shop or a business. I have taken internet connectivity. I'm a customer. My organization is taken a internet connectivity. Organization is a customer now, right? To the service provider. Okay. So I'm writing for a two people. One is like a internal customers and external customer. There is a two type of customers. One is internal customer. Another one is external customer. So who is this internal customer or external customers? It's the same diagram, same picture only, but little different. One more extra we are going to add, not one more, two more extra we are going to add. Guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is my organization, one of the organizations. Okay, this is my organization. Here I put a name, like for example, Latif Tech Solutions. Latif Tech Solutions. Okay. So I have a service desk. Okay. I have a service desk. SD means it's a symbol representing a service desk. Now, in my organization, I have an employee. I'm also working here, right? In 70s. You know, first time my work location is Pune that time. So later it is changed to Hyderabad permanent location. Recently means 3-4 months back. So first of all, I need internet. I need an internet, right? So I need an internet. What I have to do? I need internet. Then I have to ask my service desk. I want the internet. Okay. So I need an internet. So what I will do? I approach the service desk. I approach this service desk. It's not listening to me. No. I approach the service desk. I requested I need internet connectivity. I need a Wi-Fi username, password, or I need a internet access. Or maybe I want to have I'm getting some system related issue. Maybe my Outlook related issues. Maybe I want to require to access a particular server. Depends upon my role. So I will ask, right? So what happened? Okay, so user, okay, I'm a user, I got some issue, or maybe I need some access permissions. Maybe I need a VPN access, maybe Outlook configuration. So I will approach the service desk. What service desk people do? They do a ticket. They create a ticket. Okay, in ticket they will mention what is the my requirements, what is my issue, priority of my issue. They will mention here. Either they will resolve my issue directly, depends upon his roles and his level of uh, uh, access. Otherwise, he'll forward a consulting team. Either they will approach me, or maybe either they will approach me, they resolve issues, or maybe they will resolve from their end. For example, I need a VPN access. So it's a server related, network related. So they have to create my VPN account, username, password. I have to create. They have to create in a server. Okay, they will give a policy for me to how to access VPN. Okay, so for example, I have a Outlook configuration issue. Okay, then they have to come to me. So either it is the team, either I have to go to physically go to the user, or maybe they can do from their end. So once my issue is resolved, the ticket will be closed. Service desk close the ticket. Yes, this issue is resolved. It can be an issue. It can be a poll. Okay. So who is this person? Who is this person? This is internal customer. Is the person who is nothing but a internal customer. Who is this? This person is nothing but your internal customer. Means both are working in a same organization. Both are working in a same organization. Both are belongs to same organization. Okay, means service desk, organization, service provider, the service desk and a user or a customer belongs to same organization. Same organization. So this is internal customers. What is external customers? External customers. So there is some other organization. Take some other organization, ABC Solutions. Actually, there is a company called ABC Solutions. Okay. Just for example, I'm taking ABC. Okay. ABC. I'm providing certain services to this customer. Okay. So maybe it is a networking related, or maybe it is a software related, or maybe a infrastructure related services. I'm providing support from my organization. And there is some person who's got a certain issue, just like we discussed earlier. Okay. He got certain issue. So what he will do? Either he need a certain service access, maybe change of services, a service request, or an issue. What he will do? He approaches our service desk. What service desk person will do it? What service desk person will do it?
They will form a ticket.
And create a ticket and mention who is this customer,
All the
customer name,
details.
details, and what is the issue or what is his requirement, what is his request. Okay, mention here either the person in the service desk or maybe a specific team will try to resolve this issue, escalate the issue to team. Either this team resolve from here or maybe they will approach the customer based on the requirement. Okay, So once issue is resolved, ticket will be closed. Ticket will be closed. So either they will resolve they will go to serve here and solve it from here.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, under internal customer, the user can be an IT organization or individual, na?
User is working in the same organization.
Same organization.
I'm working in 70s.
Yeah.
I have an issue in my system or internet, or maybe I need some access permission, or maybe change of password kind of stuff. I will approach my service desk. Where is service desk? In my organization only.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, like that. Okay. For external customer means, for example, we are providing a SAP support to some company. They got some issue. Okay, what they will do? They'll approach our service desk. Service desk is different from here to here. Okay, some different service desk are there. Means different teams are there. Okay, SAP supporting service desk is different. Okay, so otherwise I will do that one. So I will change this one. This is for a internal service desk part. One service desk. Okay. Either different teams. Different team. Team means not same team. It can be different teams are there. I have another service desk, means separate service desk for handling a separate projects. Common name is service desk. Okay. Actually, the teams also separate for teams and service desk. Both are almost all same only. Okay. This is another service desk to handle the particular type of customers or particular technology based customers. Okay. Like this. Okay. And this is we will put it here. This is designing.
Sir, hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, what IT support do, sir?
IT support in terms is different. Okay. IT support. Um, um, 1 second. Okay, I will do once again. IT support is also like a, the name is IT support only. So the organization use different names for a service desk and a technical team people. IT support is
But they
also
do the
same.
same thing, sir.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay, fine. The same thing only they do.
Same thing. Only it is organization and to whom you are supporting.
Okay, fine.
To whom you are supporting, what type of technical support you are doing. Is it network related, software related, or a server related, service related, application related? Okay, to whom you are
Okay.
supporting, what type of your support it is. All names are same only. So common name is service desk. It's a, actually service desk means it's a kind of software type. Person is
Okay,
working.
fine.
Who is
Sir,
service
it
desk
can.
analyst? Who is the person? Service desk analyst. The person is working in a service desk. Service desk analyst is nothing but a person who is working in a service desk. Okay. So here it is. This is the part. Just for our understanding, I'm giving like this. Okay. This is external customer. This user is not belongs to my organization. Is belongs to other organization which is taking our services, which is using our services. which is using our services. So who is this candidate? This candidate is external customer. Who is this? External customer. Who is this? External customer. Okay. Of course, if you are providing a services in public also, for example, take Microsoft example. Microsoft is an organization. In Microsoft, lot of people are working, right? So I am a person who is working in Microsoft, and I got some issue. I needed some login issue. You got it. I have to approach service desk and ask I'm getting a login issues. So they create a ticket. They try to resolve my issues. Once resolve the issues and make sure I'm getting service, make sure I'm getting login, and ticket is closed. I'm an internal customer in this one. Organization is Microsoft. I'm working in a organization, Microsoft, same organization, internal customer. Okay. Next one is Microsoft also providing lot of services to different organizations. For example, we are using Office 365. Our organization using Office 365. For example, I got a issue with the Office 365. Then we have to approach Microsoft Service Desk. I'm getting an issue with your Office 365. I'm the external customer. I got an issue with your service. Have to approach Microsoft organization. So I am from this particular organization. I'm getting this kind of issue. External customer. And Microsoft is also providing services to the public customers. I'm using Windows 10, right? You're also using Windows 10, Windows 11. You can also use Office 365. You can use different type of Microsoft applications, .NET framework you are using. Okay, Windows based applications you are using. Gaming, Xbox gaming, you can use it, right? So you are a person, is an individual person. You're a individual person. You got an issue with this thing. You're a some customer. You're an individual person. You got some issue. Okay, you got an issue. So what you will do? You approach the service provider. You approach the service provider. Of course, you are getting a certain service from a organization. If you got an issue, you'll approach the organization. So service provider. Their service desk. You have to approach their service desk. You know the term, as you said, the technical support. Actually, we use this word here in this part only. Okay, this service desk try to understand your issue and support as per your requirement. Of course, there is a ticket involved in it. Okay, I didn't put a more space for that one. What is this? So, as an individual user, okay, using a service, I'm also providing a public service. Okay, then an individual user get an issue. Okay, they'll approach the service desk. What service desk will do it? They gather what are the information you required, or maybe what is your issue you are getting. Okay, so they will support according to it. This one I said it is also a external customer. He is not belongs to my organization, right? He's not working in a my organization. Is also a external customer. but in brackets, I said public. This is my own word, guys. There is now dictionary what it is. So I'm saying it is external customer. Why? Because of is a individual person. This is organization. This is individual person. Okay. So service provider provide a service to an organization, or maybe he will provide a service to public, like a internet. Think like a you are using internet service. You are using internet service. You are using, and other person is also using internet service. You got an issue, you will approach the service provider, right? Maybe Savantis is an organization which is also using internet. Now we are approach the service desk of service provider um, as an organization. Okay, so there is a different dealing between internal users and one organization to another organization means external customers are a public type of customers, different type of dealing, different type of service desks, different type of supports are there, different type of SLAs also there. Okay. Okay, so this is three things, guys. Internal user and service desk, the technical team, management, everything belongs to same organization. You are working in an organization, for example, you are working in a HCL. Okay, so you enter into the organization. So you need a laptop, right? Or maybe your laptop has a certain issue. You want to change the RAM. You are approaching their internal service desk only. You are an internal customer now. Okay, and HCL is supporting different organizations. They're supporting network related, cloud related, application related, like that, right? That organization is external customers. That organization is external customers. So that is the difference. Of course, as I know, HCL is not providing any public services. Okay, HCL is not providing public services. So organizational level only. Guys, this organization may not be a IT organization. Okay, the client organization is either it is a IT organization or non-IT organization. That is the difference. Tell me, guys, any doubt, any questions? Some people are trying to ask question. I didn't listen. I just keep telling.
Sir, non-IT organizations means banking or some.
Yeah,
Yes.
it can be a bank. It can be a bank. Mostly, HCL actually dealing with banks only. Major customer base is a banking, telephone organization, telecom, not telephone. It's a telecom organizations, like AT&T kind of organizations are there. Okay, and retail stores, anything. It's how they are customers.
Sir, service desk can be a technical person or non-technical person, both, right, sir?
Service desk person must be have a technical knowledge.
Okay.
Not required from CSC background, but you should have a technical knowledge, like a basics of computer hardware. Means starters, required basic hardware and networking related knowledge is compulsory. Okay, so it depends upon the technical to technical. Means I am joined as a service desk. I have a knowledge in SAP in our organization. I already learned SAP. I have knowledge in SAP. There is an organization supporting SAP solutions, SAP basis or SAP related deployments. So my role is working. So I'm a service desk person, but my role is SAP related technology. Okay, different technologies. Service desk is Depends upon service provider and their customers and projects. Sir, one second, one second, one second. Okay, sorry. So, okay. So this is, I didn't start what is service desk also. Okay, but I given a meaning of service desk. First, not just lines or lines only, guys. Understand what is service desk is very important. Different technologies support, different technology you learn. So you will get a understand of service desk. I will give you after class or maybe tomorrow. Maybe after, mostly I will after class only. So I will try to give a, okay. After class, I will try to give a particular video for you guys, which is we are recently taken a demo session. The services team is doing work from home now. So that's one problem we are getting. So they are not in on premises. They are not coming. Only they are doing night job now. So that is another problem. Okay. So I have a recorded demo session is there. So you will get a clarity what service desk person is doing, what are the tickets, how tickets will work, and how to deal with the tickets. We have a few two recorded videos. Please don't share that two videos to anyone. Okay, I will give you after class or maybe later. Okay, guys, we are keep telling about a ticket. So then we'll go to ticket. We completed customer. Then we'll go to ticket, and next I will tell about a service desk. Okay. All service desk events start with a ticket. I want to resolve an issue. It means I should know what is an issue. I should know what is an issue. Okay. I should know what is an issue. Right. So how I know, how a technical person knows what issue is occur. What issue is occur. Okay. What issue is occur. Got it? So how a technical person, a technical team person knows issues occur by ticket. So whatever the things come to the service desk, it is a ticket. Okay, ticket should be created. The ticket is a historical document that details as a service event, such as an incident, problem, or a service request. Tickets govern and control how a service event is proceeded. Okay, ticket will tell you either you should resolve it immediately or maybe you resolve it later. Okay, maybe you'll resolve it later, maybe after 1 hour, maybe one day, like that. Okay, how do you resolve this one? Who is going to be coordinate with this one? Is you have to take any permission from it? Okay, is any pending decision is there? So that's ticket governs and control how service event is proceeded. They use it to route events between different resources of for a solution. There are used to route events between different resources for a resolutions. Maybe there is an issue, guys. Sometimes you may resolve directly means by open the portal and resolve it. Log into server and resolve it. Log into network router switches. Maybe you will resolve it. Okay. Sometimes you have to do 2 3 different things. Maybe it is a server related and software related, or maybe it is a login related, maybe security related. 2 3 members should be involved in it, or one by one has to be complete the ticket solutions. So that is, there are used to route events between different resources for resolutions. What the ticket contains, it's all relevant information about a request from user or a client or a customer. What is the request? All information, including user notes, what user is telling, technical codes, what technician is telling, workflow information for how to resolve this issue, how to handle the ticket, okay, ticket resolutions, other critical processing information, other critical processing information. Ticket can document a single event or a request. What is an event? What is an incident or a request? Issue is occur, it is an incident. Client unable to access a service. Service is unavailable. Internet is down. Server is down. These are events. Service request. For example, I need a VPN access. I need a VPN access. I want to change my service. Okay, access permissions, change of services, information. This is service request. Okay. And these things means these individual tickets also can be grouped together and control a document several incident as a column. Several incident as a column. It can be a single incident or a single request, or maybe several incident as a single column can be there. The ticket is a backbone of your service days. It is used for single service item that hits the every single service item that hits the service days. Whatever the things come to the your service days, it become a ticket. It become a ticket. Guys, this is the link. This link, this is one link. Okay, there are several links are there. This is the link. Okay, so this is a BMC blog. BMC is also one of the service desk related and infrastructure management related tools. BMC provide a different type of solutions for infrastructure management, service desk management, automation related tools, applications they will build and support. So these are the few things. I taken only one part, that is a ticket part. Okay, only ticket part I have taken. So like this, only one ticket part I have taken. But you can understand what is incident. I will explain later, but you will get to know about what is incident, what is the problem, that is service request. Okay. Okay. These are the certain tips for putting all together. What is ticket, incident, problem, and service request. Better to know it, guys. This is the work. This is the work which actually we are doing. Okay. This is our main part, not any other things. Compulsory must know what is this service desk points. Okay, so this is from BMC remedy. I'm giving only this part, and if there is a link, better to go for a link also. Okay, and giving depends upon organization to organization, guys. The ticket types of tickets can be changes. The types of tickets can be changes. I'm giving only just for an idea. INC means incident. Any issue is occur means problem is occur means what we can say, server down, service down, unable to access, unable to access. I want to access a particular service. that is service request. Have an access. For example, I want a VPN connectivity. I want a VPN connectivity. It is service request, also called as service ticket. I want a VPN connectivity, service request. I am unable to connect VPN. Incident. Another one is alert. Alert type of tickets. Alerts or alarms. What is alert or alarms? I'm monitoring my infrastructure. Their servers are there, storage is there, services are running. Okay, network is there. Something suddenly a storage device is down, a disk is damaged. I will get alert. From alert, ticket will be created automatically based on the software, or manually you have to create it. Sometimes automatically it will create, depends upon the what software you are using. Okay, this is a different type of tickets. Guys, this is another link which belongs to, I have taken a demo session on BMC remedy. Okay, yeah, it's a good 195. So I will tell to every batch to go to this BMC remedy. Guys, this is the BMC remedy name changed to BMC Helix ITSM tool. Okay, BMC Helix ITSM tool. Okay, this is the demo part of BMC Helix ITSM. How to manage the ticket, how to create the ticket, what are the tickets you got it, how to check the tickets. This demo session I have given by creating a account inside. I'll show you that HD. It's a full HD it is. Okay. So I'm creating a login here, guys. If you see, I'm creating a login. Okay, I went to the BMC Helix ITSM. It's a free login. Okay, you can fill anything, no problem. Okay, but don't give your Gmail account, it won't work. Give some random account. Okay, so it's one-time access. Okay, one-time access. It is very easy. It is benefit is you can given so something sun start. Okay, sunstarters.com, sunstart.com, sunstarters company, and some phone number. Okay, so I given all the details. See, no red marks. So I check all these things and go to start trial. So when I go to start trial, so you need to get not require any username password here. It's a demo trial. Any person can able to log in. Okay. So you should not give any company names here because it's a demo. Another one is there earlier, a GLPI, that is a demo is not there. Now it is automatically logins. Just we have to wait. Launch trial, you will get it. See, you can see what are the incidents are happened, what are the requests are there. So left side, if you see, that is a tickets, which is already occurred, demo tickets are there. Okay, and that is how to check the ticket, how to assign the ticket, what are the tickets are there. Okay, this is I'm creating a ticket here. So what is the which user, which company, which contact, what is this contact, the impact, urgencies, status, these are all also available. Okay, so how to assign, to have to assign this ticket, either it is self-assigning, means to yourself you can assign, or you can assign to some person or a person in the team. Okay, this is a demo, guys. Please compulsory try to watch it. Okay, if you feel bored, you can put it in 1x. Okay, The speed is there now. Change it to it's 1x, put it in a 2x mode and watch it. Okay, if you need some point, it means this is the means explanation is there now. That's why people don't go. At least go with the 2x. So whenever a ticket is created, just stop it and put it in 1x. Compulsory look at. Once you've seen, you can also practice. Okay, you can also practice. I given a link in this one also. Okay, so you have to go to this, first watch this one and go to BMC Helix, login and practice. So you practice, you don't feel that is something new. You will understand, guys, 1 or 2 times. It is new to you. Later you will understand. Okay, and this is the link is where it is I given about a ticket incident problem kind of stuff. Of course, I will explain tomorrow about incident problem and service request kind of stuff. So this is the ticket. Better I should have some screenshot for ticket. Yeah, this is customer, internal customers, external customers, external public customers. I given in PPT, so better to go from here. In the tickets also there is a priorities also there. Every ticket has a priority and impact. You have to do impact analysis and give the priority to the ticket. There is a priority and a ticket. Here is the priority levels I'm giving. That is P1, P2, P3, P4 level is there. P4 level is low level priority. P4 level is low level priority means some user unable to access VPN, or maybe there is some user is application is not opening, the system is down. Will give low priority. Guys, impact and priority levels on the incident. Okay, based on the incident. So impact and priorities. So what incident is occur? So based on that, we are going to change it. Okay, impact and priorities based on the priority levels. Incident priority levels will differ from one incident to another incident. So here we give incident levels: low level, medium level priorities, high level priorities. P1 means very high, means lot of customers are getting an issue. Lot of customers, or maybe your server is down, service is down, your service is down. Okay, that is high level priority, high priority, or we can say urgent. Depends upon tool to tool, names are changes. Some people say it is a very high, or some people say it is urgent, some people say it is critical. People say it is critical. Each priority, guys, there is a timeline is there. So P1 you have to resolve it immediately. So you have to take it as within the 15 minutes, resolve in a 1 hour kind of stuff. High priorities you have to resolve in 4 hours. Medium priority you will get a 1 day. Low priority will get a 2 days time. Okay, the timeline I'm not giving here. The timeline for that one I will give you another demonstration. I said no, I will forward another not first. This is for ticketing purpose. Service desk demo session is there. I will give you that one directly. So then you will understand priorities, tickets, ticket names. So that's very clearly. Okay, compulsory you have to go to that one also. That is not, you can't search in my Google. That is in a unlisted. It is in unlisted mode. So anyway, I will tell now only. Yeah, we have 10-15 minutes. I will complete, guys. Don't worry. So actually, this is the first point we have to discuss, but I will put it here because before going to service desk, we should know about customer. We should know about what is this ticket, what is this kind of issues. Okay, all service desk we learn, and now we are putting in a one line. That's a simple thing. Okay, so in mine, I unlisted a few service desk demo part. This is one service desk demo. Okay, this is very recent one, guys. 16th batch one. I'm directly given to your WhatsApp group. Okay, so this is how much time it is taking. In the entire service desk part, I will give you here. Wait. Okay. One more.
Maximum you can take up to only 6 leaves, and that is not in the probation period. That is in first 3 months. After 3 months, you are allowed to take.
I'm updating everything in this one only. Okay, in this announcement only. Okay, all service days. I'll try to keep it here only. This is for 12th batch. So when 12th batch, that time, sir has taken another demo session. Okay, guys, it is practical session. So you will get all clarity doubts. Doubts will be clarified. Okay. So if any chance, I will put it in WhatsApp group also. Okay. So currently it is here. So everybody is here. So then obviously you can access all the services part. Any pictures are there, PPTs are there, links are there. I will try to put here because service desk is the main part for your interview as well as your work. Okay. Yeah. So this is.
Yes.
So one more point it is, what is a service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact. To understand this line, I told this much story. Okay, single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Service desk is a single point of contact, SPOC. What is single point of contact? See, internal user contact a service desk, and the service desk will inform through the ticket to the specific team to solve that customer issues. Either it is internal customer or external customer or a public kind of customers, right? Is in between customers and the technical team. Yes, service desk can be a software also sometimes. Okay, so there is a levels of service desk is there. So that is we'll discuss tomorrow. I will tell this one and one more point that's I will complete it. Initial support to the customers. What service desk has to do it? Initial support to the customers. Provide information to the customers. Customer requires some information. Provide that particular information. Understand customer issues. Understand what is this issue, what is he's getting, what kind of issue it is, what is the relevant issues are there. asking some questions, or maybe a requirement. What is his requirement? Is existing customer, or maybe is what is his roles? What is his priorities? Okay, what kind of project it is? What is SLA? Based on that, you have to understand. Okay, so that things comes up. Okay, initial support to the customers, understand customer issues or their requirements, provide information to the customers, escalating the issues, manage the tickets, like a ticket management, like a creating ticket, rising ticket, monitoring ticket status, closures, surveys. That is the part. Satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objects. Okay, satisfy both customer needs and IT provider objects. What is customer needs? Of course, we understand he got some issues, or maybe he required some information, or maybe some requirements or changes of services is there. What is IT service provider objective? So provide a service to the customers. Make sure customer is getting service. You are not only providing a service, also you have to make sure customer is getting proper service. Okay, that is very important. SLM, service level management. Okay. So also managing events, alerts, incidents, problems, changes, change of services, service request, monitoring and managing SLA, OLA, UC. Yeah, I will tell about SLA, OLA, UC separately. And because of I told so many things today, compulsory read, guys. Today only you should read. It is a very small part, only just introduction. Okay. Next, a lot of sentences. What is SLA, OLA, UC? What is a type of service desk? Okay, and events. These definitions will come up tomorrow. I will tell about event, alert, incident, problem, changes, change of services, service request. This I will tell, and also I will tell about monitoring. I will tell about SLA, OLA, UC part. Also I will tell different service desk tools. I will tell. Okay, so with this thing, it will be resolved. Okay, today's class will be complete. Yeah, we know yes, there is a service desk, but how to approach service desk? I mean, or we can say how a service desk known if something has happened, or we can say the how service desk get information. What issue? Something I understand how your service desk will get information. Get information. That is good word. Okay, either it is a customer can reach service desk directly. I can go to service desk person and I'm not getting this issue. I'm getting this issue, or I'm not getting this particular work. Okay, like that. Okay, or maybe my desktop is not working, or maybe my network is not working. Maybe VPN is not connecting. Maybe my service is not accessing. Okay, directly I can approach. Maybe I will call telephone, mobile phone using a telephone call, IPv phone call. Okay, so we have a IP voice or IP. Vivo IP concept is there, no? Voice or IP type of telephone calls are there, mobile phone calls are there. Email communication. You know, I got some issue with the insurance company. So whenever we call, there is no response. I'm getting a call from a service customer support people, but they're not resolving any issues. Okay, so the toll-free number is not really a toll-free number. They're giving a customer number that will take long time. So what I've done, I keep sending emails with the details. with the details. I keep sending a mail. Within 3 to 4 days, my issue is resolved. From apps, there is certain applications, websites, self-help websites, self-help portals, service desk softwares, monitoring tools. From this one, service desk will get information about any issues occur, any some request is there. For example,
Sir,
yeah, yeah, tell me.
service desk software, what does it mean? How can you contact by service desk software?
Service desk is the software is a portal like a BMC, Helix, or a ServiceNow, GLPA, Zira. These are different softwares are there. So customer directly, there's few things. Think like this, IVR. IVR means telephone, telephone voice,
Interactive voice services.
voice services. They will give you, you want to listen into English, press one. Okay. You want to,
Oh yeah,
if you
yeah.
are having credit card issue, press three.
Yes.
You are having banking related issue, recent transactions. You know, that is what it
Yeah.
is. It's a one kind of IVR support, right? Like that, you
Yes.
have a portals, self-help portals. What is this portal? So when you log into that portal, you will get a, is a connectivity related issue? Is it a portal service related, or maybe a transfer related issues? Is a request or a change? Okay, so you will get the menu list. Which kind of service you are belongs to it? You have to select it, and you have to approach it. Okay, yeah, I will show you one service desk. Otherwise, yeah. Okay, next one is, this is for managing multiple tickets are there, right? So we cannot, I am approaching a service desk. Service desk person has to create a ticket and manage the tickets and follow up the ticket kind of stuff. How to do it? They need a software for that one. They need a software for that one, right? I showed a BMC Helix interface.
Yes, yes. Now you
Yeah,
should get BMC.
okay, yeah. And I shared two videos now. The two videos are belongs to fresh service, fresh service. Okay,
Okay.
like that. It is a software where they can able to put a information. And there is a certain softwares also there. When any events or alerts are occur, it will create automatically a ticket. Okay, either a person, there is a service desk manager is there. Okay, there is a person called a service desk manager is actually handling this ticket management. Means you don't resolve any tickets. You don't resolve any tickets. Is actually say issue issues, or we can say send ticket to service desk analyst. Or we can say a technical person who is working on a technical person or a team, actually person. Okay, so this service desk manager can be a automated software also. Maybe is a person or can be a automated software. Yeah, don't feed more guys. Okay, so let us slowly you'll try. Okay, so here important questions guys. What is service desk? Very important is what is service desk, and what is the service desk analysis will do, or what is the service desk and roles and responsibility kind of stuff. What is service desk? What service desk will do
Roles and
it?
responsibilities.
Roles and responsibilities. Are what is service desk analysis will do.
How to reach.
Yeah. Next one is what is ticket? What is ticket? And next one is customer. Who is the customer? Customer. That's it. Okay. From today, that is the point. So tomorrow I will explain about event alert kind of stuff. That time we will get a what is instant, what is alert, what is change, what is service request, These questions also will come up. And a lot of things, the ticket priorities. This is also important. Ticket and ticket priorities. That is already told now. In this one, you will understand. It's a live demo given by actual service desk person. Okay. So compulsory 3 things.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's it for today, guys. Compulsory read. Everyday reading is important. Again and again. And these are the pretty straight questions.